Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on permutation, lecture number 5, in which I will discuss on even and odd permutations. Let we have a permutation f such that f equal to image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3 and image of 3 is 1. We may write this as 3 cycle. Image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3 and image of 3 is 1. That is 1, 2, 3. 3 cycle. 3 cycle permutation. We may write this as 1 3 cycle multiply 1 2 cycle. Means this is the product of two transpositions. That is, f is the product of even number of transpositions. This is one transposition, this is another transposition. Transposition is a 2 cycle permutation. Here this is 2 cycle permutation 1 3 number of elements. Here this is also 2 cycle permutation. Here number of elements be 2. Again let G be another permutation such that here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 1. Image of 4 is 4, image of 5 is 6, image of 6 is 5. Here we get 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 3 cycle. Here image of 4 is 4, here image of 5 is 6 and image of 6 is 5. Here 5, 6 cycle. Therefore G is the product of 2 cycles. First cycle is 1, 2, 3 and second cycle is 5, 6. Since we know that any cycle may be represented as product of transpositions, we may write this 1, 3, 1, 2. This equal to product of 2 transpositions. And this is also 2 cycle permutation, so it is another transposition. This is 5, 6. This is the product of three transpositions. Therefore, any permutation is represented as product of transpositions. know that identity permutation is product of two transpositions of type ARAS multiply ARAS, two transpositions. So any permutation is product of either even number of transpositions or odd number of transpositions. If any permutation is the product of even number of permutations, then that permutation is called even permutation. And if any permutation is the product of odd number of transpositions, then that permutation is called odd permutation. Now we define even and odd permutations. Now we define even and odd permutations. A permutation is said to be even if it can be expressed as the product of an even number of transpositions, and an odd if it can be expressed as product of an odd number of transpositions. Now we see the following points. Number one, the identity permutation I can be expressed as the product of two transpositions of type AR, AS multiply AR, AS. Here we get product of two transpositions, that is product of even number of transpositions. So identity permutation is an even permutation. Number two, the product of two even permutations is an even permutation. Since the first permutation is even and second permutation is also even. Even permutation means it can be expressed as the product of even number of transpositions. So first even permutation has even number of transpositions, and second even permutation contains even number of transpositions. Therefore, altogether the product of two even permutation contains even number of transpositions. So the product of two even permutations is even. Number three, the product of two odd permutations is even, since any odd permutation contains odd number of transpositions. So first odd permutation will contain odd number of transpositions, and second odd permutation will contain odd number of transpositions. So altogether they will have odd plus odd means even number of transpositions. So the product of two odd permutations is an even permutation. Number four, the product of an even permutation and an odd permutation is odd. First permutation is even, so it will contain even number of transpositions. Second permutation is odd, so it will contain odd number of transpositions. So altogether they will have even plus odd, means odd number of transpositions. So product of an even permutation and an odd permutation is an odd permutation. Number 5, the inverse of an odd permutation is odd and the inverse of an even permutation is even. Now we prove a theorem. The number of even permutations on a finite set containing at least two elements is equal to number of odd permutations on it. Now we prove this. Let S be a finite set containing elements a1, a2, an. Here n greater than equal to 2. Let A be the set of all even permutations on S and B be the set of all odd permutations on S. Since I be the identity permutation, and I is an even permutation, therefore I belongs to A, that is A is non-empty. Since A1, A2 be a transposition, and it is an odd permutation, therefore A1, A2 two cycle permutation belongs to B, that is B is non-empty. Let T equal to transposition A1, A2. Therefore, T belongs to B. Since this is a transposition, so one number of transposition, so it is an odd permutation, therefore T belongs to B. Let F belongs to A, therefore F is an even permutation. Implies that TF, T is an odd permutation and F is an even permutation. So product of an odd permutation and even permutation is an odd permutation. Implies that TF belongs to B. Let phi be a mapping defined on A into B such that phi f equal to TF. Now, let G belongs to A and phi f equal to phi G implies that phi f means TF, phi G means TG, implies that T inverse TF equal to T inverse TG, implies that by associative law T inverse T F equal to T inverse T G. Associative law implies that T inverse T is identity permutation. This is also identity permutation. I equal to identity permutation, and this equal to F because product of identity permutation with any permutation is that permutation, implies that F equal to G. Therefore, phi is 1 1. Let H be any element of B. Therefore, H is an odd permutation. Implies that TH, TB odd permutation and H is odd permutation. Product of two odd permutation is an even permutation. Implies that TH belongs to A. A be the set of all even permutations on S. Now, phi TH equal to T of TH equal to TTH, associative law, equal to T square H. Since T square is identity permutation, since we know that ARAS multiply ARAS be the identity permutation. Here T means A1 A2, here A1 A2, that is identity permutation, and this equal to H. Therefore, for any H belongs to B, there exists TH belongs to A such that phi TH equal to H. Therefore, phi is onto. Here in number 1 phi is 1 1, in number 2 phi is onto, phi is onto. Therefore, phi is 1 1 onto that is phi is a bijective mapping. Therefore, number of elements in A equal to number of elements in B implies that number of even permutations equal to number of odd permutations. On S. Proved. Now we give an example. Describe all permutations on the set S containing elements 1, 2, 3. Since there are 6 possible permutations on the sets S, as S contains 3 number of elements. So, number of permutation is factorial 3, means 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6. These permutations are row 0. Here image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 3. This is called identity permutation. Second, row 1. Image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 1. That is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. This is 3 cycle. We may write row 1 equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 cycle permutation. Now row 2. Here we see that image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is 2. Here 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. This is also 3 cycle. Row 2 equal to 1, 3 and then 2. 3 cycle. Here row 3. Image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 2. 2, 3, 3, 2. That is row 3 is 2 cycle. 2, 3. This is 2 cycle. Now row 4 equal to, here image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. This is also 2 cycle. Means 1, 3, 3, 1. 2 cycle. Row 5. Here image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is 3. 1, 2, 2, 1. This is also 2 cycle. 1, 2, 2, 1. Since this is 3 cycle, so this may be written as product of transposition 1, 3, 1, 2. Product of 2 transpositions, even number of transpositions. Therefore, row 1 is even permutation. This is also 3 cycle. This may be written as product of two transposition 1 2 1 3. This is also even permutation. This is single transposition. So this is odd permutation. This is also single transposition, means one number of transposition. This is also odd permutation. This is also odd permutation. And row 0 is, this is even permutation. Because row 0 may be expressed as product of two transpositions. If we take 1 2 multiply 1 2, or this is identity permutation row 0, or 2 3 2 3, this is also identity permutation, or 1 3 1 3. In any way we may write identity permutation as the product of two transpositions. So this is the product of even number of transpositions. Therefore identity permutation is even permutation. So even permutations are row 0, row 1, row 2, and odd permutations are row 3, row 4, row 5. Next example. Determine whether the permutation F on the set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is odd or even permutation, where F be the given permutation in which image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 5, image of 4 is 6, image of 5 is 1, and image of 6 is 4. Since in cycle form we may write F equal to, here image of 1 is 2, so we write 1 2, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 5, image of 5 is 1. So we write this is 4 cycle. Then image of 4 is 6 and image of 6 is 4. This is 2 cycle. So we may write this as product of transposition 1 5 1 3 1 2, and this is another transposition 4 6 equal to product of four number of transpositions. 4 is an even number, therefore this is an even permutation. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.